Hi there, this is Trail Rider 570. I'm coming to you from the garage today. Weather's not good. We're stuck in the house. It's a cool morning, and it's still dark as the time of recording. But I thought I'd show you some of the upgrades I've done to my Traxxas and explain what I've done to it so far and in depth, because I don't think I have. Right here it is. You can see it right here. Traxxas Slash. There we go. Okay, what I have done to it and plan on doing to it is I'm waiting for 2 more tires to get here. These are the latest and greatest good tires for them. These are the spec tires on it now. But we're going to lift the body off, and I'll show you the first thing you're going to notice on it is we'll go like this. These, obviously, to get the body off, you pull the clips like so. And what you're going to see right away is I put this cover over it. I just got it yesterday. It has zippers on it, so you can zip it open if you got to get to it. It's held on with Velcro. Real easy install. I was going to do a video on it, and I just said, nah, we ain't going to do it. What I like about it is they make a plastic one, but trouble is this lets the whole car breathe, and the air work. It's ventilated, so I think this would be a good setup. I did put a different steering servo in it. It's got a 25 kilogram servo in it. Let's see here. I put a center differential in it. I changed the shock oil to 40 weight all the way around. Let's see here. What else did I do? It's got a 54 tooth spur gear in it as well. Not a whole lot. It's got the BL2S brushless system in there. You can kind of see it in there. And I did put a cooling fan on it. And I was running a cooling fan on the motor, but it doesn't get that hot, so I ain't gonna worry about it. So I just took it back off. But other than that, it's been last time I was able to run it here, which was a couple days ago. I was really impressed with it after the issues with it, which was I brought on myself. The motor adjuster, they got a plastic piece on there, and I thought that was part of the setup, and after watching numerous videos you realize you pull a screw out, pull that piece off. That's just they put in it to set the gear lash in the factory, so they don't have to mess around with trying to get it close. They got this plastic piece that goes in there. So I pull that out, so now I got indefinite adjustments on the motor. And I did run it with a 52 tooth. It's a lot slower with a 52. So I went to it's the only one I had at the time, so I put a 54 tooth in it, because when I ordered the center diff, it comes with 3 spur gears. So I put the 54 in it, and it woke the truck right up. I mean, the truck is snappy, it's fast. Everything else, I'm running 2S, obviously, because of the system. I'm limited to 2S, but no, it's I had anything else major have done to problems with it. Yeah, if you notice, I finally broke down and bought me a car stand for it. But no, it's been a good truck so far. I did pull the covers off, and I checked the front and rear diffs. They use the Revo diffs in it, believe it or not, so it's good. This is a BL, which means it's got all the heavy duty components in it, on the steering linkages and on the shock towers and everything else. So it hasn't needed much. And the other issue is It's only been on the track once, and I took it over there just to run it, and it wasn't a successful thing because of the gearing. But you know, you learn from your mistakes, and I got it figured out now. So, but I think this here, I didn't have this cover on it, and it was just full of chunks of sand and gravel and that. So I'm thinking this little cover here is going to help it a lot. So yeah, so I just wanted to put this out there. You know, if anybody's looking for one of these, they're not that expensive. It was like $12 from Amazon for this cover. They make a plastic one, but I don't know. I want the car to breathe a little bit too. So to get your battery out of it, it's really simple. You got a zipper. We just unzip, just like so. Unzip and open it up, and right there you go. There's how you access your battery, and then you just zip it shut. So yeah, pretty handy item. And like I say, this is a Traxxas TRX. This is a Traxxas Slash BL 2S truck. So, but no, it's quite fast. So I've been quite happy with it. These are the optional tires, and to me it looks like they're a little bit bigger blocks or deeper blocks than what's on here. And so I'm waiting for 2 more to get here. I don't know when they're going to be here, but I also, dummy me, well, not dummy, but I go to Amazon. These batteries are on sale. These 5200s here are on sale for it was $28 for 2 of them, so I ordered 2 more. But yep, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye and God bless. And it's just a quick update and a quick spin around, walk through what I've done to it. 40 weight shock oil I did put in it as well. So yep, so it's all set for now until I can run it. The weather where I'm at is up and down, so right now it's down, so nothing I can do about it. So I want to get this video out because normally I do a live stream in about a half hour, and I don't think I'll be able to today. So thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate everybody coming in and take time to listen to this. And as always, from me to you, this is Trail Rider 570 saying goodbye, God bless, and I'll see you next time. All right, bye-bye for now. See you later.